Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So in this video for today, I will be explain about the Intel Fortran manual, but this is for the Windows operating system, Windows OS. Okay, so in this manual, I will be explain to you about the installation Intel Fortran compiler and how to use the Intel Fortran compiler in Windows OS environment, how to compile, linking and run an executable file. And in this manual, I also prepared some simple program for you to try out, and I also will be use this program to give you an example how to run it. And I also explain about the component of the program and command to create a sample program and running a sample program. First of all, we'll be starting with the installation of the Intel Fortran compiler. So this is some briefing. But all you need to do is just to click this Google Drive link and it will be direct you to this Google Drive. And all you need to do is just download all these three, which is the Intel Fortran compiler, HPC toolkit, and also base toolkit. And I also provide some reference for you. So this is the full manual for the Intel Fortran compiler if you want to learn more. But this manual that I gave to you is just a very simple version that I have simplified everything. So if you want to learn more, you can just read this PDF as your reference. And I also provide some link for more information and reference that you can refer to. Next is how to use Intel Fortran compiler in Windows operating system environment. Once you have complete all the installation, all you need to do is just to click this window icon and type command prompt. And click it. And it will direct you to this black window. And all you need to do is to type out this command. Or you can just copy it and paste it here and click enter. And then type this one. So before you hit the enter button, you can see that the word at the upper part here shows the command prompt. But if you hit the enter button, it will change to Intel One API tools. So this shows that you have entered the Intel One API tools environment. So this should be done every time you are planning to use the Intel Fortran compiler. Okay, so next we will see on how to compile, linking, and run an executable program. So in this manual, I have prepared some simple Fortran program with input and output file. So this is the source code source file. All you need to do is just copy this one and then you just can enter the file. So this is where I located all the file, where I located all the source file, all the input file, and also the output file, and also followed by the object file and executable file. So this one we will want to create later, so I will be delete it first so that you can see how to create an object file and executable file. So let's get started. So all you need to do is just copy this one and then you can create a new file, a new text document. You can click here and then paste this one and then just change the format of this. For this one, I'll be using the F90 Fortran 90. Okay, so we want to see the component of the program. So if we look at the wait, I open up this source code. Okay, so if you can see at the source code, for this one, for the source code, I use the Notepad++ instead of the text document so that I can see all the colors and it looks more easier for me to find out where is the comment and etc. Okay, so we can see that there is an source code file. So if you can see that if there is F90 .f or .4, this is all the source code file and this contains the source code of the program. So in this program, I want, this is just a simple program of the addition program summation. So I want to add up this x plus y plus z. So this value is located in the input file. So this input file, if I open up this file, it is in the form of .dat. It can be either in the form of .txt, or there is no specific file extension at all. Okay, so we have three values that we want to put. So x, y, and z. So this is the input data, which is I have wrote here 20, 10, and 50. So if we want to know, so in this program, we want to add up all these 50 plus 10 plus 25, 60, 70, 80. So the answer is 80, and I want it to show up in my output file. So if we look at the source code here, my input file name is my data.dat, and my output file name is data1.dat. So this one I have been created first, and the name is exactly the same as in the source code, my data.dat, my data.dat, and I entered the three value because I have this x, y, and z. So x will be 20, y will be 10, and z will be 50. Okay, so we want to create, okay, so we will see how to create the executable file and also the object file so that we can run the program. So this one, before we want to run the program, we need to go to this file. So if you want to see how to change the directory of the file, you can see in the description below. So I just paste it here, but I forgot to type out cd. So cd and paste. And I have entered this file, which contains all the source file, all the input file, and also all the output file. So here I have simplified everything, how to what is the command to create the object file and also executable file. So all you need to do is just copy it here, but you can change it. For this one, my file name is input output program, so you can change it to your desired file name, whatever you name the file. Okay, and then I can just paste it here, but without one there. There's a one there, and we don't want that. And we can see that there is no object file here. If I hit the enter button, oops, okay, the object file will appear. So when the object file is appear, you can create an executable file by using this command. So just paste it here, but without two, sorry, but without two, without one. Okay, one, and hit enter button, and you can see that it will create an executable file. So after we create an executable file, all you need to do is just to type out the name of your file name. So my file name is input output program, so I will be just typing this one in this command prompt, control paste. So this is the result, which is this is the value of x, y, and z, and this is the total. And also I have created the output file, so you can see that the answer 80 will be in this file. Same goes if you want to change the data. For example, you want to change the xyz 10 10 10, you can change it in the input file and save it, and then you have to compile it back, copy and paste, also without that number 2, and hit enter, and then we can see that the answer is, oh, not yet, we want to run the program to see what's the answer. Oops. So the answer is 30, and we can see that 30 will appear in the output file. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum.